Welcome to your favorite channel. Today we are going to talk about the 10 best ways to make money from cryptocurrencies. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button for more updates. In this crypto era, with many people still searching for how to earn from cryptocurrencies, we have decided to make a video that will help you in making decisions. So in this video, we're going to discuss the 10 best ways to make money from cryptocurrencies. You can't afford to miss any, so continue watching till the end. Number 1. Trading crypto. If holding crypto is long-term investing, trading crypto such as Bitcoin is its fast-paced equivalent. Essentially, BTC trading means taking advantage of its highly volatile nature. This method requires practice and knowledge of the market, so be sure to do your homework before giving it a shot. Arbitrage, swing trading, and day trading are ways you can make money trading cryptocurrencies. These methods require a lot of practice, so don't expect to get it right on the first try. For starters, you can watch video tutorials or seek a mentor to guide you properly. Number 2. Mining crypto. Cryptocurrency mining is another good way to make money in the cryptosphere. This option, however, does not seem too lucrative to some people yet, and that is why they don't consider doing it. But it doesn't mean that this method doesn't work. Sure it does. If you are ready to make initial investments for buying mining equipment like ASIC and GPUs, plus the additional supporting hardware, then be sure you're going to make it big. Also, to successfully mine and earn from cryptocurrencies, you should have access to cheap electricity to run this mining equipment, along with the technical know-how of how to take care of the software and hardware mining stuff. Number 3. Buying and holding crypto. One safe way to earn money in crypto land is to buy good cryptocurrencies that have a fundamental use case and hold them until they obtain a fair market share. You can buy and hold them for a longer term because they are bound to appreciate against the fiat pairs of USD, EUR, etc. So when they do, you sell and make profits. Number 4. Staking cryptocurrencies. I personally like this way of earning because you get the dual benefit of price appreciation for holding good crypto coins, plus the additional reward as dividends for staking the coins. Staking is basically holding crypto coins 24/7 in a live wallet, hence earning new additional coins as a reward for staking and securing the blockchain network. Tezos is one of the most popular and highly funded coins that offers a 6% ROI year on year. However, the best part is you also earn money when the value of Tezos increases as more users adopt it. Number 5. Masternodes. Running masternodes of cryptocurrencies to earn smart passive income is also one way of earning in the cryptosphere. A masternode is simply a cryptocurrency full node or computer wallet that keeps the full copy of the blockchain in real time, just like you have Bitcoin full nodes, and is always up and running to perform certain tasks. For performing such tasks, different cryptocurrency networks pay the masternode owners. However, for running a masternode, you must have a minimum number of coins to get started. The minimum amount to get started with a masternode is different for all the cryptocurrencies, but it is usually in the range of 1,000 to 25,000 coins. Number 6. Cryptocurrency faucets. Another easy way to start earning quick bitcoins is through cryptocurrency and Bitcoin faucets. In faucets, you have to do menial tasks such as solving CAPTCHAs, playing games, clicking on ads, or watching videos. For each task you do, you earn a small amount of Bitcoin. However, this way of earning isn't really an option for people who are already involved in hectic full-time jobs, as you might not be able to earn much very quickly. Number 7. Become a liquidity provider. With the growth of DeFi, becoming a liquidity provider is another handsome way to make money from your existing crypto holding. By becoming a liquidity provider, you will be earning a cut in every transaction that happens on a particular decentralized exchange. One of the challenges of becoming a liquidity provider is impermanent loss, which is something you have to be mindful of. However, there are platforms like Bancor which lets you provide liquidity without worrying about impermanent loss. I believe in the coming year, 2022, we will see more DEXs coming up with their own ways to handle impermanent loss, which will help minimize the losses. Number 8. Blogging on cryptocurrency websites. You can earn money by blogging and writing on websites that pay you in cryptocurrencies if your content is liked by the readers. Also, if you already know that your content is valuable, you can even directly monetize your content for cryptocurrencies to giving full access of content to the respective reader. Number 9. Accepting crypto payments. As BTC continues to mature, we're starting to see more and more businesses accept BTC payments for their goods and services. So if you're already running a business and want to know how to make money with Bitcoin, you can consider taking BTC as a payment method for your product. Integrating Bitcoin into your payment system will widen your reach and make transactions more accessible to customers who don't have bank accounts or credit cards. The best part is that it's incredibly easy to start accepting BTC. If you're running a physical establishment, it's a matter of putting up a small sign at your storefront and beside your cash register. If your business is online, you can put a banner on your homepage or use a payment intermediary like Paxful Pay and fully integrate it into your website. At this point, customers can just send funds directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Number 10. Lending BTC. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies makes it simpler to make transactions. This is because you won't need any authorities to validate it. Because of this decentralization, you can loan BTC and earn some cash through interest. Think of it as a way to make your money flow even when you're holding. You're actually using your wealth instead of keeping it unmoved in your wallet. Unchained Capital, Bitbond, and BTC Pop are some of the websites you can use to help you with your lending services. So if you're still wondering how to make money with cryptocurrency, give lending a try. This is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button to keep you updated on our future videos.